Jokanyo mantiere sekta mar chiemo mag jamni wacho ni osuru mijuogi chiemb jamni kod rem tiyo gi duoko mag nonro gin moko kuom gik mamiyo chiemb jamni nengo gi idho ne jopith. Ka giloso kinde romo mar ariyo mar jokanyo mag sekta ma loso chiemb jamni boma ma Nairobi, giwacho ni tich kanyakla e kind joket mwandu kaachiel gi lwasi makare mar ohala ema nyalo miyo pith bedo gi yuto makare. Romono bende ne osir gi mbetre mar piny Holland koriwore gi riwruoge mamoko e sekta mar pur kod Latis kod Lari.
We are at half an hour. But then nobody actually comes and...
And if you talk about the livestock sector, you need to talk about the feed sector. And we need to improve how we develop the sector, what we can do together with all the different partners in the sector. The meeting today is about this. It is about how to make the sector better, how to improve the sector, and also how to make sure that the sector is climate resilient in the future.
A lot of farmers in this country are depending on livestock for livelihood, and therefore a critical look at the cost of feed is very, very important. How we intend to support the roadmap, first of all, is engaging continuously with the government. We have talked about a review of the levels of taxation, review of policies in this country, and one of the things that we really want to do as private sector is to continually engage with the government.
Taxes on raw materials drive up the price of feeds, and at the same time, Kenya has the ability to be the regional powerhouse in feed production. So when you put on a different pair of glasses and look at Kenya as the potential exporter of feed into the EAC region, then now that discussion on removing taxes on raw materials comes in a completely different light and probably a more attractive business case.